Specifically designed for men, this scissor and comb duo is designed for a man's grip, to expertly trim beards, mustaches, and eyebrows and keep every hair in place. Grooming kit includes precision scissors for trimming and a comb for styling. Ergonomically designed for male hands and grip. The scissors are crafted from stainless steel, so the blades are sharp and the tool really lasts. Cover all of your grooming needs with the Revlon Men's Series collection. The Revlon Men's Series facial hair kit is specifically designed for men with sharp blades for precision trimming. Set includes both scissor for trimming and comb for styling. Ergonomically designed for male hands and grip. Contains one set per package. Revlon is a global leader in cosmetics, hair color, fragrances, skincare, and beauty care products. One of the strongest consumer brand franchises in the world, Revlon's products are sold in over 100 countries across 6 continents. Revlon revitalized the industry over the years with iconic nail and lip colors and with breakthrough technology like ColorStay transfer-resistant lipstick and makeup. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect size for men's hands. I use these for facial and eyebrow hair. I've tried using smaller scissors and it would hurt my hand because I broke it many years ago. These are the perfect size for my hands and work great. Buying a second pair for backup.